Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you new here, my name is Twiggy. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am going to be showing you a very quick and easy hairstyle that I have been rocking so much lately. This is the first video in a new series that I'm starting called 10-minute hairstyles. So these are going to be quick and easy hairstyles that will look cute, but also they're just fast. I have been trying to break out of my hair rut lately. I have been rocking a messy bun for like a year now. So I'm really trying to do more hairstyles. So if you have any requests or any videos or hairstyles you'd like to see me try or attempt, please leave them down below. I'm always listening. But this for sure is one of my favorite hairstyles. I really like it a lot. It's just cute. It's young. It feels very young, I guess, but I like it a lot. I've gotten a lot of compliments when I wear my hair like this, especially on my hair color. I feel like it brings everything out a little bit more, which I love. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this hairstyle, then just keep watching. Alright, so this is what we're starting out with. Obviously, I haven't done anything to my hair today at all. First thing you're gonna want to do is start out with a middle part. So clearly I have a middle part right now. I let my hair dry like this, that way I don't have to fight with it, so it's dried in a middle part. And now what I'm gonna do is separate out. I have these little like front pieces in my hair that I cut, so I have like a little bit of a faux bang situation happening. So I'm gonna kind of let those guys hang out, and I'm going to section off the part that is gonna be our little baby's face buns. And what I'm doing is pretty much going right into the like recession of your head right there at your bridal ridge. I'm taking that whole top layer, kind of like a horseshoe section, and just pulling that all and clipping it out of the way for now. So I'm just taking everything that I want to be the baby buns. You can totally play around with it and take more or less hair if you want. My hair is a little on the thin side, so I'm going to take a little bit less than what I just grabbed. And I'm also gonna go ahead and split it down the middle and separate them into two sections. And like I said, I'm just going to clip this side out of the way for now. We'll deal with him in a second, but for now we're gonna focus on this side. Now all I'm doing is just brushing this section out so it's nice and smooth. Then I'm gonna be securing everything with these little baby elastics. Figure out where exactly I want my space buns to live. I like them a little far back, but not so far back that you're not going to be able to see them, obviously. So I'm going to do it kind of like in the middle of where that section is where I'm planning on doing it, and then you just put it up in the elastic. And you know what? That's actually a little too far back, so I'm going to reposition it a little bit closer to my face. Okay, just kidding. Those baby hair elastics were pissing me off, so I'm switching over to just regular hair ties. And like I said, I'm just gonna move this little baby bun a little bit closer to my face. Now that I have that one where I want it to live, I'm going to just obviously repeat the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now that they're just about even, this is as perfect as I'm gonna be able to get it today. You could do several different things with your buns at this point. You could just twist them up, which is probably what I'm going to do today. You could braid them and then twist them into place. That would be cute too. Or if you have really thin hair, I'm going to show you a trick that I use a lot, which is you just take your hair and twist it, you know, the direction that you would to put it into a little bun, but then just very, very lightly pull apart this twist and kind of almost back comb it with your fingers, and that is going to really give you a lot more volume to work with whenever you do pin it into place. But it does leave your bun looking a little frizzy, which honestly never really bothers me, but that will really help make your hair look a lot fuller if you do have thin hair and you want it to look full. But for my personal preference today, I'm just going to twist it. So I'm going to be twisting everything towards my face. I'm gonna twist it all just towards my face and then wrap it around. And I don't want to wrap it too tight. Like I don't want it to be like sitting up necessarily. So I'm keeping it kind of wrapped loose, and then I'm really gonna rely on the bobby pins to hold it in place. And then once you have it here, you can kind of just go ahead and shape it to whatever size you want and position it. So if you didn't get your pigtails exactly even, it's okay. Now is when you can really make things even. And then once I kind of have everything settled where I want it, grabbing my favorite bobby pins in the entire world, which are from Sally's Beauty. They're called the Mega Grip bobby pins. And I'm just gonna start pinning it all into place. Obviously, if you have little guys who are sticking straight up like that, you're gonna want to pin that down. And I'll usually use probably like 4 to 5 bobby pins per bun to hold it all. So I'll just go around the whole bun and slide these pins in until it really feels nice and secure. And then obviously I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on this side. I'm gonna twist everything going towards my face and then wrap it around the exact same way. If you're not liking how one of the buns is looking, it's really okay. All you gotta do is unpin it and then just take it out and rewrap it. And then I'm just very gently going through and pulling it a little to just kind of loosen things up and make it look a little more lived in. Now that my buns are securely in place, all that's left to do is go through and curl the bottom section. This part should take you no time at all. That's kind of one of the great things about this hairstyle is you're really only styling the very bottom layer of your hair, so it takes really hardly any time once you get the hang of it. I'm going to curl the bottom of my hair, switch out my camera battery, and then I'll be right back to show you the final look. Alright guys, so that is it. That completes this hairstyle. This is what it all looks like when it's all said and done. Again, the whole point of this series is it's going to be a really quick, easy hairstyles that anyone can do. Pretty much any hair length is also kind of what I'm aiming for. This would look super cute with like a short bob. But yeah, if you tried this hairstyle out or you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I love talking to you guys so much in the comments. It honestly makes my day. Thank you again all for being here and watching. I really appreciate your love and support. I give it all right back to you guys. I hope you're having a fantastic week. I'm gonna run now, but I hope you're all having an amazing week, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys.